Westermans here with a Migatronic 385 Compact. Just a quick MIG test. You can see obviously meters there, but the meters aren't fitted behind, so hence why there's no light up. Okay, so I think that's 0.8 wire in there, so we'll just turn up a little bit more on the settings and a little bit more wire. Machine appears to function and do everything it should do. Fans running. Machine will be sold with earth, torch and regulator, ready to plug and play, and will come with the reel of wire, which is actually already in there now, which is actually 0.8. More details found on westermans.com. Thank you for looking.